Now let us start with our third step, and which will be the final step, that is using our connect function. Successfully, we have created this map state to props and map dispatch to props function, but our React component is not aware of these two functions. So now we are going to use connect function from React Redux library, using which we are going to connect these two functions with our React component. So I will come on top. First, below this, I will write import, and I will get access to my connect function from React Redux library. So till now, we have used two things from React Redux. First is the provided component, and second is connect function. Connect these two functions to our component. Now, how do we use this connect function? Here, we are exporting our pizza box component. Before this, we have to write connect function, and inside this, we are going to pass two parameters, that is nothing but map state to props and map dispatch to props. Pass in the same order, and here again this component you have to wrap inside this parenthesis, and you have to read in this way. We have done default export of connect function where we have passed map state to props and map dispatch to props with pizza box container. Now, as soon as I connected this, before in my props, I was not having anything, but now using map state to props and map dispatch to props, we have created this pizza base property and order pizza property. Now, these two properties will be passed as a prop to our component. Let me save. Now you can see here, now in my prop, I am having pizza base, and I am able to access the value from my Redux state. It is 1000, and also I am having the prop as order pizza. How I am getting this prop? Because of map state to prop and map dispatch to prop. So that property will be passed as prop to our component, and these properties will be additional prop to our component. Apart from this two prop, if I am having any additional prop inside this component, we are just adding this two extra prop inside our component, using which I am able to access my Redux state, as well as I am able to dispatch this action. So now successfully I have got access to my pizza base and order pizza using these props. And how that is possible? Because we have used connect function to connect these two functions to our component. Now here, in place of this, I will write curly braces. Inside these props, I am just accessing my pizza base property. I will write here pizza base, save it. Whatever property name I have given here, exact same property you have to pass. If you give any other name, accordingly you have to pass that name. Now I'll save it. Come to my application. Now you can see successfully I am able to display 1000. Whatever value I am having inside this prop, I am able to access that value, and I am able to store in my component. Now, whenever I click on this button, I just want to dispatch action, which in turn reduces the number of pizza by 1. So here I will be writing on click event handler. Inside this, I will write props, and from there I just have to access this property, order pizza. So this is nothing but function. Once I click on this button, I am accessing this property, which in turn dispatches this action. Come here, click on this. Now you can see successfully I am able to dispatch the action, and I am able to reduce the pizza base by 1. Again I will click. You can see successfully I am able to decrease the value by 1. So finally we have completed all the three steps. First step, using map state to props, we can get access to Redux state, and this property will be passed as a prop to the component. Then using map dispatch to prop, we can get access to dispatch function, and then this property will be passed as prop in a component. Now to connect both the functions from React Redux package, we are going to access this connect function using which we are connecting both the functions with our component. Then inside that props, we are going to have this additional properties pizza base and order pizza. So here I have to display how many pizzas I am having, and whenever I click on this button, I just have to access this order pizza, which in turn dispatches this action. Once I dispatch the action, I will be going inside the store. In that, I will be having reducer. Here, type will be matched, which in turn reduces the number of pizza by 1. So that is the reason whenever I click on this, I am able to reduce number of pizza base by 1.